Welcome to an extensive exploration of the mind-body energy nexus, exploring interconnections, an integral component of empowering transformation, mastering the art of energy healing and energy psychology. This detailed session delves into the intricate and multifaceted relationships among our mental processes, physical health, and the body's intricate energy systems. Deep dive into the mind-body energy relationship. Central to this session is the holistic understanding that our mental states, physical condition, and energy systems are intricately linked. This interconnectedness is not just a philosophical concept, but is grounded in a growing body of scientific research. Studies in psychoneuroimmunology, for example, have shown that stress and negative emotions can lead to a weakened immune response, making the body more susceptible to illness. It's well documented that chronic stress triggers hormonal imbalances, notably the release of cortisol and adrenaline, which can have detrimental effects on various bodily systems. For instance, prolonged exposure to cortisol can disrupt sleep, increase blood pressure, and reduce immune function. By understanding these physiological pathways, we can better appreciate the need for interventions that alleviate emotional stress. In a reciprocal relationship, physical health significantly impacts mental and emotional states. Nutritional imbalances, lack of physical activity, or chronic pain are not just physical issues. They can lead to depression, anxiety, and cognitive impairments. This aspect of the nexus emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and pain management in maintaining mental health. Exploring the role of energy systems, we focus on how the body's energy flows through meridians and chakras. These energy pathways, integral to traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic practices, are believed to influence physical and emotional health significantly. For example, acupuncture, a practice involving the insertion of needles along specific meridians, has been shown to effectively alleviate chronic pain. A 2017 study reporting a 50% reduction in pain intensity for patients undergoing acupuncture. Techniques like mindful meditation, yoga, and energy tapping, EFT. These practices are not only beneficial for stress reduction, but also for enhancing overall energy flow, as evidenced by a 2016 study showing a 40% reduction in anxiety symptoms among individuals practicing mindfulness meditation. We delve into bioenergy, or life force concepts, exploring how this energy, flowing through meridians and chakras, is crucial for maintaining emotional and physical equilibrium. Disruptions in bioenergy flow can lead to ailments, as seen in studies where biofield therapies have positively impacted conditions like fibromyalgia and arthritis. In conclusion, we explore the evolving intersection of holistic health approaches and modern medicine. As contemporary healthcare increasingly recognizes the importance of the mind-body energy nexus, we anticipate a more integrated approach in treatment modalities, combining the insights of traditional healing with the advancements of medical science. This comprehensive session equips you with a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of mental, physical, and energetic health. By embracing this holistic perspective, you are better prepared to approach health and healing in a more informed, nuanced, and effective manner. Let's continue to harness the insights from this exploration to foster improved health, well-being, and transformative personal growth.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.